It's Natasha, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing Page Day Math Pre-K Math Starter Kit, as well as the Page Day Math Subtraction and Handwriting Review Book and the Page Day Math Being Grateful Cursive Practice Book. I'm going to start off by saying that I absolutely love these products, and you can get physical kits like this, or you can get digital products like this that you can print out and use for your students over and over, or use for multiple children. I'm going to start out with the Pre-K Starter Kit. This is writing numbers 1 to 99 and tracing addition equations. It says this 10-book system helps develop legible math handwriting, number recognition, independent learning, and confidence. So there's 10 little booklets in here, and my 4-year-old has been using this kit. It is recommended for ages 3, 4, and 5, and it's math and handwriting introduction. And there's 10 research-based books for 140 days of practice. Each book has 14 days, and this is really simple how it works. So basically you have a little introduction. This is the math squad, all these little characters, and so it gets your student excited about learning. And then it just has a little welcome and how to use this book. So you're going to complete 1 page a day, front and back. Hence the Page a Day Math name. What you do at the end of the lesson, so here is a page, 1, and then the back, and then they can color in the star. Or as my daughter did, she put a star sticker there. So they just do 1 page a day, front and back, and they have stars here. Now this starts right from the first day with addition. I loved it. So they start on day 1 learning the numbers 0, 1, and 2, and they also learn 0 plus 1 is 1, and 1 plus 0 is 1. And so they're learning math facts from the very, very first day. This book right here is tracing addition equations that add 1 to 0 to 10. This is really, really a great introduction to not only number recognition, but already from the beginning, adding numbers. And my daughter caught on right away. And what I have her do is, as she is tracing the numbers, I will have her tell me, you know, what is this number 4? What is this number 5? What is this number 6? And then when she gets down to the addition problems, I have her say out loud, 5 plus 1 equals 6, as she writes the numbers, as she traces them. That helps it stick in her memory that 5 plus 1 equals 6. And also it has you down here at the very end, it has you try it on your own. So you're tracing, and then it has a couple where you're just going to do it on your own. 5 plus 1 equals, and they have to remember 6, and they have to write 6 by themselves. So that is the first one, equations that add 1 to 0 to 10. Isn't this so cute? I mean, this box is just so adorable. Let's take a look at the back too. It is just so cute. Book 2 is tracing addition equations that add 2 and that add 3 to 0 to 10, that add 4 to 0 to 10, add 5 to 0 to 10, add 6 to 0 to 10, add 7 to 0 to 10, add 8 to 0 to 10, add 9 to 0 to 10, and add 10 to 0 to 10. Now these can be used as a supplement to any math program. So if you have older kids and you want to have them practice subtraction, for example, then you might want to get the Subtraction and Handwriting Review Book. But they also have an entire subtraction program. They have an entire addition program, and also multiplication and division. So there's Pre-K, but after Pre-K, the books are not graded. So there's no grade 2 up here or anything like that. And even with the Pre-K, I would say it's really Pre-K or kindergarten or even into 1st grade, honestly. You can get the complete addition kit, the complete subtraction kit, or multiplication kit, or division kit, or they have review books for addition and subtraction and multiplication and division. And so I actually had my 8 and 10-year-old do the subtraction review book because I feel like they struggle a little bit more with subtraction facts than they do multiplication, because multiplication is a bit easier for them because of skip counting. I really wanted them to work on that. And we have, again, a page a day, front and back. So they have all these subtraction problems on the front and all these subtraction problems on the back. And so I just printed this for both my 8 and 10-year-olds, and they did this. 14 days, and at the end, there is a little certificate too, which is really, really cute. Everything is really adorable with this. And then I also had my girls that are 8 and 10 do this Being Grateful Cursive practice book. They have all kinds of handwriting books on the Page a Day Math website. There is both cursive and printing available in the different books. So if you wanted the Being Grateful and printing, you could also get that. But there's tons of options. So I'm definitely going to put down below the link to the Page a Day Math website so that you can go check it out. This was a really simple program that my girls just literally had just a couple words of things they might be grateful for, such as jumping, swimming, camp, flowers, trees, and being grateful can make you happy. And then we had music, sunshine, stars, rainbows, clouds. What do you like to make for other people? And so they just have been working on these cursive Being Grateful workbooks for the end of our school year because they had finished their handwriting books. And so I thought this was great because it was just a little bit of practice a day, so it wasn't overwhelming, and it made them think about things to be grateful for, especially in this time. I absolutely love this. I think it is a perfect supplement to any math program and also handwriting. And I know that I will continue to use not only the review books, but the complete programs for addition and subtraction and multiplication and division. And so I just love how there's those different options for you. I hope that was helpful to you. And if you want to check out more reviews on some of the other Page a Day Math with the Math Squad products, I'm going to put a link below to the homeschool review crew, and you can go check out all of those reviews as well. So there will be some more pre-K reviews, but there will be some more other reviews too. So definitely go check out that link below to the homeschool review crew, and also go check out the Page a Day Math link that I'm going to put down in the description box below as well, and you can see all the products that they have to offer. And my 4-year-old, who has been doing this pre-K starter kit, has absolutely loved it. She loves having her real math, she calls it. So she's loved having her very own real math, and she gets so motivated by these stars at the end of the lesson. If you have any questions, please let me know down below, and I will talk with you soon.